Yorktown.
Yorktown, yes, one of the naval ships.
So the category is naval ships
The
for these
category
great puppies
is
out
naval
here.
ships,
Like,
right.
well, we were trying to figure
Yeah.
out. We got Detroit, we've got Bunker Hill.
And now we have Yorktown.
Yorktown.
That's right. She is just 3 months old, along with her litter mates, and 15 pounds about. She's going to get to be about 40 to 50 pounds when she's grown. A terrier bulldog mix. I love bulldogs. They're just so sweet.
Very playful and very, very affectionate.
Oh,
Puppy
yes,
kisses.
I mean, we've got this white blaze on her chest. Yes, she's got 2 white socks in the
this
front.
tail.
And a happy tail
And that
just
happy,
goes
happy
and goes.
puppy tail, yes.
It's like a little pendulum. It just it doesn't
Yes.
stop.
I mean, she's just super playful.
Oh, and so cute.
Super playful, yes.
So cute. And of course, as you said, now she's going to grow up to be a medium-sized dog.
Yes.
So
yes.
she's not going to be little like this indefinitely. But,
No, I mean, she's not that little right now.
right. But she's going to be handsome and beautiful.
Oh, she is.
Just like that.
This gorgeous
Oh,
girl.
yeah.
You know, I love these pink noses. I love that terrier pink nose
Oh,
thing.
so sweet.
Yeah.
She likes other dogs. Look at that.
Look at that. Do you see those kisses that she was given through the fence?
Yeah.
Come on, Yorktown. Come on, girl. Yay, good girl. I love you too.
Please come see Yorktown at Nassau County Animal Services, State Road 200 in Yulee, Florida, behind the AutoZone. Yorktown and all of her friends. Lots of puppies to choose from. Please come see Yorktown.